like it, but not a lot. I don't like it.
Look how they mess with my boy.
Why, that's very good. Yes, I like that.
That was a bit rich, but okay.
Nice. Nice. Made me happy, made me smile. Nice.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay. Approved!
Yeah, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Not bad, not bad.
I mean, it's alright, like...